Turn your kiddie basic bodice pattern into a style pattern of a simple summer dress. Here's how to do it. Prepare 1/4 pattern paper folded in the center. Fold your front basic pattern on the chest line, which is line C to 5 on your basic pattern. Position the center front on the folded edge of your pattern and trace it using pencil. In this demonstration, I'm using a marker for you to see it clearly. Then mark the side corner as point 1 and 2. From 1, measure 1 1/2 inch outward to get point 3. I use 1 inch on my pattern, and I will also measure 1 inch from 2 to get point 4. Then connect 3 and 4 with ruler. Extend the waist to point 4 and the armhole to point 3. To make this into a final pattern, provide the necessary allowance and symbol. Seam allowance for top and armhole is 1/2 of an inch. Seam allowance for side is 1 inch. Seam allowance for the waist is also 1/2 of an inch. Now let's add the necessary symbol. Cutting line is the line to cut out the pattern pieces. Seam line is the stitching line. Seam allowance is the space between the seam line and the cutting line. Gray line is the direction on the fabric. Notch is a V shape that help to match the pattern pieces. Now let's make the style pattern for back. You may fold it on your desired depth. I will fold this to the bust line, which is D to J on the basic pattern. Position the center back on the fold of the pattern paper and then trace it. Mark also the corners of side point 1 and 2. Then repeat the procedure you did on the front pattern. Then add the same allowances and symbols. This will be the location for the strap, so notches on the back are same measure with the front. Now trace the back and front final pattern on the other side. Use the tracing wheel and carbon paper. You may also trace the pattern using ruler and pencil if carbon paper and tracing wheel are not available. Fold the area to be traced with a guide of ruler and then trace it using pencil. I will make it more visible. Then cut the final pattern with the use of sharp scissors. Cut exactly on the cutting line. Just be careful in using scissors for your safety. Trace only this part of the pattern. From the top, measure 4 inches. Make a fold on that measurement and then trace. For the back facing, measure the side of the front facing to get the measurement of the back facing. This must be the same in measure and can be 1.5 to 2 inches. Measure from the strap placement up to the shoulder. Then add the strap measurement of the back. Add half of an inch for adjustment. Strap measurement is 2 by 9.5 inch. Seam allowance around the strap is 1/4 of an inch. Ribbon measurement is 2 by 21 inch. Allowances are also 1/4 of an inch. Grain line of ribbon and strap can be lengthwise or crosswise. These are the patterns for our simple summer dress project. See you on my next video!